That's a good question. Any hints? Gemini can help Kärcher gain more efficiency with repetitive tasks. I'm Daniel Marx. I'm a CFO assistant at Kärcher. What's Kärcher? It's a specialist for cleaning equipment, most known for its high-pressure washers. We started in September 2024 with the pilot of our American subsidiaries. Then we onboarded also our Gemini ambassadors. Gemini ambassadors are colleagues from all over the world that wanted to be part of this rollout journey. They were the ones that were trained prior to the global rollout in regard to how could you use Gemini, what is Gemini, and where can Gemini bring the most efficiency gains. And then they helped our colleagues globally. We started to let everyone play with this new tool. Now, with more than 60% of usage, there are a lot of use cases of how people are using Gemini in their daily work. At the end of the rollout, we asked people to hand in their best Gemini use cases with our Gemini Grand Prix. We have a lot of submissions from all over the world. That was quite impressive to see how people are using Gemini. One very special case, for example, is a case for retirement. One colleague created a gem that helps people that are nearly retiring to keep their knowledge within the company. One of the biggest benefits from Gemini for our colleagues worldwide is that they have now a personal assistant who could help them with repetitive tasks. So they get more efficient and they free up capacities for leadership or helping other colleagues in their daily operations.